If you want to make $100,000 this year and ideally not be stuck in a really soul-draining day job when you do, here is the reality. $100,000 a year equals to $384 per day if you only count weekdays. And if that still sounds like a lot, it's really not. That's just 3 clients paying you $3,000 every single month, and that already equals to $108,000 every single year. And that's it. And there's plenty of businesses out there, small to medium enterprises, that has the budget and is looking to spend their quarterly marketing budget on your services, especially if you're a graphic design, videographer, copywriter, which I know many of you out there are. You're just going to know where to find them and know how it works. I'm Annie. I'm a freelance brand and web designer who left the 9-to-5 grind, built a 6-figure design studio, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it. Number 1 is to sell outcomes, not tasks. If you're freelancing and still charging by the hour, you are doing it wrong. You never want to say, I charge, for example, $50 an hour for design. Focus on the value that you're providing at the end of the day. What is the ROI, the return on investment for your client that they will receive? For example, instead, you can say, I build premium brands that help service-based businesses raise their prices and attract 5K plus clients. That tells a story, that paints a picture, and most importantly, that shows them what they can receive at the end of working with you. Clients don't care about the hours, they just care about results. So if you can solve a painful, expensive, or urgent problem, you win and you can charge a premium for that. So here's the pro tip. Don't sell a logo, a video, a written article, sell a transformation. Okay, that sounds good, but how do I land clients? This is step number 2. You land clients with Loom Audits, and it works even if you're new. If you don't know what Loom is, it's just a screen recording software. You don't have to use Loom, you can use anything, and it doesn't require you to have a big audience at all. You don't need a single person to know who you are. You just have to reach out in a very organic way and provide lots of value. And this is a proven way that I've seen works wonders for people who's trying to find their first few clients. So pick a brand or business that you'd love to work with, make sure they are indeed your ideal client avatar, and make sure they actually have the budget. And you know this by kind of figuring out how many employees they have in their business. The sweet spot is somewhere around 50 employees. That's when you know they have a functioning business and they're not too big to the extent where they are working with marketing agencies already. And then what you do is you pull up the website, you record your screen and yourself, and you chat through it. If you're a copywriter, you analyze the copy. If it's effective, give some pointers, give them some really good suggestions. Like say, you don't have enough clear call to actions. If you change this to this, that would already boost your conversions. If you're a designer, analyze it from a design perspective. And what's important about this is just it's super personalized. You're providing value. They're seeing your face. So it's building a lot of trust. Show 2 to 3 specific things that they can improve. Be kind, make it simple and actionable, and keep it nice and short. Like 2 to 3 minutes is enough. You want to make them feel curious and want to get to know you a bit more. That is the first pebble in the water. Then you can reach out to maybe work with them on a small project, or you can offer a discounted rate for an exchange for a testimonial. And that is your first case study. If you do that 5 times, you'll have the confidence to go ahead and sell yourself and raise your rates. And that is the way to get the little snowball rolling. Step number 3 is to turn your skill into a scalable offer. If you're wondering what is the fastest way to burn out, that is if you customize everything. And what's the fastest way to grow? It is to productize everything. Productize your services. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, let me break it down. If you're a designer, you don't need 10 different offers. You need one strong system that clients can plug into. For example, in design, there's packaging, there's illustration, there's branding, logo design, publication, so many. Choose one to really specialize in the beginning. For me, I chose branding because branding is kind of a cheat because it encompasses everything. But branding, what I mean is I start with a logo, I start with a brand strategy, and then I deliver some key marketing materials like business cards and things that you apply that branding to. And I follow the exact same process. So for a brand strategy deck, I have the exact template that I use for all of my clients. For the brand presentation deck, I have the exact same template. My exact process is super replicable. I follow the same steps. I know exactly how long the turnaround will be. I know exactly how much time I need for every single phase. And then what I do is I offer them an unlimited design subscription where I can take over all of their design tasks and needs. And this means no more endless back and forth with invoices. There's one payment every single month, and I just take care of the whole pipeline. and it's smooth, it's recurring income, and this shift has been the secret to my consistency and me achieving those crazy numbers and crazy 10k plus months. If you want to go from sporadic income to consistent monthly recurring revenue, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it and how you can as well in my upcoming masterclass. It's called the 10k month masterclass, where you learn how to package a service so that it sells itself, how to attract really lovely high-paying clients even if you don't have an audience at all, and how to build predictable monthly income without burning out. Scan the QR code on the left or follow the link in the description below, and I'd love to see you there. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Remember that the first 100k doesn't come from investing. If you are someone who's really into personal finance, you'll hear a lot of people say invest in S&P 500, which is great, and I do, but that is more on the side. Your first 100k, I guarantee, is not going to be built from stocks or crypto. It is built by earning more, spending less, and stacking cash like your life depends on it. Charlie Munger, which is Warren Buffett's right-hand man, said it best: the first 100k is a bitch, and you have to do whatever you need to get it. And frugality is not about being cheap, it's about buying your freedom faster. Tip number 5 is just remembering that simple equation: $100,000 is just 3 clients paying you over $3,000 a month. Or it could also mean 4 clients paying you $2,100 a month, or 10 clients paying you $850 a month, or one $97 product sold 86 times a month. So break down that number, build an offer that delivers value, and fill the pipeline. I would recommend for you starting out to go high ticket and to follow on a smaller number of clients so you can deliver higher quality of work. And then down the line, if you want to build an audience, then you can start selling lower ticket offers to a bigger amount of audience. But in the beginning, you don't know many people in your network, so it's better to just target specific people and deliver them as much value as possible. That's it. It's not easy, but it is that simple. Okay, my 6th piece of advice is to track everything and repeat what works. You shouldn't be guessing. You're building a business, so start tracking your daily revenue, outreach messages sent, what are people responding to, what are your conversion rates, how long are you spending per project, and where your best clients come from. Every single data point is a growth lever. At the end of the day, let's do a quick recap. This is your 6-step roadmap to 100k. Number 1, sell outcomes, not hours. Number 2, send those Loom audits to land your first few clients. Productize your offer into something scalable. Earn more, spend less until you've stacked 100k. And also do diversify and invest in S&P if you want. Break down that 100k target into monthly and daily goals, and finally make sure you use data to make better decisions and to scale. So if this resonated with you, if you're a freelancer or want to become one and you're tired of guessing how to scale to the next level, my 10k month masterclass is going to walk you through exact framework that I use to quit my 9-to-5, build a 6-figure business, and attract premium clients on repeat. Plus, you also get a bonus little sales deck that I use, which is how I actually close off all of my 10k plus projects, and it's going to be all yours. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the left, and I'll see you there. Let me know what service you want to sell to get to your first $100,000 year. And if you enjoyed this video, I know you also love this one on the left right here. If you also enjoy listening on the go, we actually have a podcast called the Brand Creative Podcast. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.